So what the beep? Checkpoints. Seriously, what the beep? Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys. And today I want to talk about checkpoints. Yep, checkpoints. Seriously, what the heck? First of all, I'd like to thank all the subscribers that have joined us over the past week. Greatly appreciate it. If you have not subscribed and you're watching this video, slide on down to the bottom right of this video and slap that subscribe button, hit that bell to get all notifications. If you're interested in phone farming, phone farm apps, or anything techie, we'd greatly appreciate it and love to have you with us. So guys, what's up with checkpoints? Well, we'll get to that. I wanted to give you guys a brief background about what's going on. Well, show this up here. Last month, let's see here. Yeah, about February 7th-ish. We sent out an email to checkpoints, and it was very simple. We were just double checking, getting clarification on their terms of service, and really not even much of an issue. You can see here, we ask, hi, I really don't have any issue, just a question about accounts. I'm aware you only allow 10 phones per account, no problem. My question is, how many accounts per IP? We wanted to know this. The reason for my question is I'd like to run this at work, which this is work, and several others want to do the same, so I don't want to get banned over something silly. Thanks for your response in advance. In other words, we wanted to know, because here at work, we have our office, we also have our personal hooked up. We have other people in and out that want to use checkpoints, and we didn't want that to become an issue with us using our checkpoints and somebody coming in that had it on their phone or whatever. That happens around here on apps that we have and with IP, so we didn't want to get banned, so we felt this was a fair question. Okay, so anyway, we go by, scroll through, and you can see I sent this on the 12th because we came in here the other day, and you got probably about a week behind on this, sorry guys, but looked over in checkpoints. They wouldn't do anything. I got to looking at it, and they had 000 at the top of the app, and I thought, oh well, that's nothing big, right? No big deal. It's done it before. We'll go in and we will clear the cache, and we'll just get it back going. Because you can go in, clear all your settings, clear your cache, and boom, checkpoints will come right back up and work. So we did that, and yeah, guys. Oh, it's saying we got network issues out there, which is just being a simpleton. Let's get you to this point. So we went in, like I do. Get this over here to the settings. And so this is also actually a good way to clear that problem. Get into your checkpoints. And we just clear data. Okay, and cleared. So that clears everything. It clears your cache and everything. So then from there, we just went to sign back into our checkpoints. We scrolled up here to our checkpoints, and we wanted to sign in. And when this loads up, we'll show you what we got. Yeah, if I could type here. Oh no, banned accounts are not allowed to transfer to a new device. Please create a new account to use checkpoints. So they banned our account, so we lost everything we earned. But yet they're going to go ahead and allow us to create a new checkpoints account. Does that seem fishy to you guys? Or is it just me? So I jumped in here, obviously, and went to their terms of service. Okay, so get up in here. And this is standard. I'm not going to, really get too crazy on it. And I searched by device and just to look, get back up in here. But I wanted to look at the accounts, operations, and termination just to see. And of course, it's in here, exactly what I thought would be in here, which is this right here. They have the right, to reserve the right to deny access to their site for any reason at their sole discretion for any reason or no reason. So in other words, they banned the account, which we were very close to a payout on, with no reason. Now, we have sent them an email, obviously, and asked them why and what's going on. So if we get an update on that, we will let you know. We are not going to create a new account with this yet until we speak with them. Simply because we have static IP here, actually external IP for our business. And so that's easy to track. Yeah, I could change the IP. Now we can go through that. But no, I'm not going to waste my time. My phone's going to be running other things, do other options. So at this point, I don't know. And we've got paid out multiple times by checkpoints, guys. Multiple times. This isn't something that, we've just been running once or twice. In fact, checkpoints was the very first app we ever installed. Checkpoints was the one thing that we've been paid on multiple times. Without a doubt, they've done very well. I can't say anything up to this point. The problem that I have is we have changed nothing in the last year and a half of using checkpoints. We use the same phones, same app. We've done everything. It's the same. We haven't changed it. We sent them that email about a month ago, and suddenly we're banned. Makes you wonder. Makes me a little nervous, because that was the thing I said, is I don't want to get banned for something silly. So let me know, is this going to work? Or is this not? So hopefully they come back with a reasonable response. If they don't come back, I'll let you know. And we may or may not create a new account and run, because that's exactly what they're telling us to do, is just create a new account, which scares me in the fact that why. So my question to checkpoints, if they watch this video, is what the heck? Seriously, guys, what the heck? Right now, to me, it looks like maybe they're making some changes and doing some scam on their own site. I hope that's not true. I really don't. I really hope that something got messed up. They can send me an email. We can work this out. That's what I hope for. My hopes are not very high. Anyway, guys, leave your comments below on what you think about this. You think maybe we did something wrong? I can tell you, you guys know our phone farm setup. You've seen it. 10 phones, 1 account. We do not have any other accounts other than people that come in and out of our business, for standard, the business itself, for the workers that come in and out, all that. We don't have anything else other than this. For our operation, we have the 10 phones. We were thinking about doing more phones. Absolutely, we thought about doing another one because they said that we could do it. And if you've seen in their response, I should have showed you that and I didn't really look at it, but their response was you can have as many accounts as you want, as long as each account has its own unique US number with texting and also an account email address. And any phone that we have will have all that information. That is absolutely not an issue. So anyway, guys, I would love to hear your comments, what you think may have happened. I would greatly appreciate it. Just drop those down below. Remember, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that. Hit that like button. If you think this is garbage, as I would say, we would greatly appreciate all your support in this. And from there, guys, remember, the day's what you make it. So let's make it a good one.